Well, we have a desire for some of the company processes that we have where custom labels are needed, tracking customers' equipment and on-site equipment. Right now we're dealing with about 18,000 pieces of unique identifying data, so currently we get that outsourced, and we're looking to save some money and do that in-house. Inventory and asset tracking. It's our current Rev 1 was just using a paper label that was just printed on a basic thermal label printer. But as you can see, after about a month outdoors, because some of the stuff sits outdoors, the weather gets a hold of it and makes it non-readable, non-scannable. So we're in the process of changing all of our cones over to this, and as you could probably guess, they're more durable and they're going to last longer. We are ever increasing, trying to have a better safety protocol here. Visual cues, visual indicators of where to go, where not to go, where to wear a hard hat, safety goggles, that sort of thing. And along with that is we have a lot of safety equipment that has to be assembled on site. And it gets assembled in a certain way so that it's optimal. And we have a few pieces of equipment in general that, leg A has to go into arm A, and we put labels and all that to make it brainless, as we call it, so the techs in the field don't have to worry about assembling it incorrectly. So it's a good, perfect fit and application for that.